Hello friends, in this video we are going to do a price prediction of Dymension token as soon as it's get released. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before investing into any crypto, as crypto investment is risky. Now Dymension is currently doing an airdrop on multiple chains like Cosmos, then there is Solana. So if we go and see their articles over here, so they are airdropping a significant of 7% of the total supply, which is like 70 million DYM tokens. So in total, it will have around 1 billion tokens in total as a total supply. Now, out of which 7% would be airdropped. And let's take an example like as soon as it launches, we can see like maybe 30 million tokens being bought by investors. So for the start, we can take the circulating supply of let's say close to 100 million plus or minus here and there. Now, how can we guess the price of this token? Is like we can compare this token with some other token like for example Cheeto, and we can guess the approximate airdrop price what it will be. Now I have received my Dimension airdrop. As you can see, the minimum I will receive is like 80.27 DYM. Now, if less people claim this, then this value will increase. So, more or less, I will be getting like maybe 100 DYM tokens if other people don't claim it. But minimum, I will be getting 80. Now, let's take an example of Dimension in comparison to Jito. Now, Jito has a similar total supply of 1 billion, and this was also airdropped in the past. Now, as you can see, as per the current market price, it's close to 300 million. Now, let's take an example like if Dimension reaches 300 million, then we can see a price point of around, but it has a circulating supply of 117. So, if this reaches around 3 million market cap, then the price of Dimension token should be anywhere between $2 to $5 depending. Like if the Dimension market cap is anywhere between like 300 to 500 million or 600 million for that matter, then $2 to $5 per Dimension token is what you can expect, which is not bad considering it's a free airdrop done to Cosmos and Solana ecosystem. And that's the reason why I keep telling you like please don't forget to stake your coins and tokens on the Cosmos ecosystem. I made a separate video as to how you can stake your coins and tokens on the Cosmos ecosystem using Leap wallet, or you can also use Kepler wallet depending on which one you like. So personally I feel that this should give me a profit of like $300, around 200 to $300 maybe, hopefully. I may be right, I may be wrong, but yeah, this is what I'm expecting, and maybe some people who have got like more airdrops would be getting. Now, usually what happens is like at the start of the token launch, usually there is a dump, and then the price usually stabilizes, and then it goes either up or it goes either down. So this was the price prediction for Dimension token, and once again, this was not a financial advice. Do your own research. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.